cute. Look at us. We're ready to do some light aerobics in that outfit. Oh, but he's got the forbidden gacha item that I don't have, that I missed. Because I didn't play enough. Oh no! Oh no! What the heck? What? Oh my gosh! What? How the heck? What in the world just happened? I got overwhelmed. Good luck. I've learned from your playstyle and have adjusted accordingly, and now I will never lose again. Not really, I'll probably lose in the next one. Whoa! What? Oh no! I got destroyed! I was destroyed. Oh my gosh, that's fun though. That was fun. I want to play bowling though. Bowling is the best one.